Today is June the 24th, and I am here in the Mission Mountain Wilderness, just right outside of Condon, Montana, and I am hiking to Turquoise Lake this morning. It is a 6-mile hike to the lake, and it should be about 2,400 feet of elevation. So I'm only about a half a mile into this hike, and I'm already experiencing some pretty nice flooding on the trail. But that's what you get for going hiking in June. So I'm here at the fork that kind of divides the two trails between Glacier Lake and Turquoise Lake. So I'm going to pop down to Glacier Lake real quick and take a peek at that. I think it's only about a third of a mile to the lake. Then I'll come back this way and take the fork back to Turquoise Lake. Turquoise Lake Trail, officially gaining some altitude here, starting to climb out of this valley. About 10:30 a.m. and so it's starting to heat up a bit. I got about a mile to go to the lake. All right, I'm at 6.5 miles, and I just got to the shore of Turquoise Lake. Look at these sights. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy for a bit, get some lunch, and then I'm gonna head on back.